Yes, student, next topic is roles of an entrepreneur. There are various roles of an entrepreneur: entrepreneurial functions, promotional functions, managerial functions, and commercial functions. Let us discuss first entrepreneurial roles. Functions of an entrepreneur or roles of an entrepreneur, that means what activities that are performed by an entrepreneur in an enterprise. First function of entrepreneurial roles: innovation. See bache, as we called, entrepreneur is a creator because he creator or innovator because he invent the new ideas. He is invent the new method of production. He improved the new services, new products, opening a new market, discover the new source of raw material. So an entrepreneur should be an innovator because he is producing an innovative product for their customer, but according to the requirements of the product customer. As it is written here, innovation is the hallmark of entrepreneurship. Hallmark is official mark considered under the entrepreneurship because it is considering to be new or improved product, new method of production, how the product should be produced, new method of distribution, how it will be distributed in the market, opening a new market, discovery of a new source of raw material, and new form of an organization. So these all factors are considered under the role of innovation of an entrepreneur. Second is risk taking. I know entrepreneur is a risk taker. Risk taking, assuming the responsibility of the loss. There is an occurrence of loss because as I told you first, if we are doing business, there is a possibility of loss also and there is a possibility of profit also, but it depends upon our output whether we will get profit or whether we will get loss. So entrepreneur pays wages, salary to employees, rent to landlord, interest to the lenders. These are the persons or the organization that lends money. All after making these payments, nothing may be left as profit when an entrepreneur pays all these things to all the bodies. Whichever is left money, that is considered as profit. Sometime there is no left money, that means there is considered to be a loss. So entrepreneur tries to reduce the risk, reduce the uncertainty in his plan of the investment, expansion, and diversification of the business. Uncertain, like our future is also uncertain. We cannot predict our future, what will happen in our future. As similarly, if we are doing business, we cannot predict in the future what circumstances or what changes are required in the enterprise. So an entrepreneur tries to reduce risk in the organization. Next is organization building. It implies bringing together the various factors of the production. Like the purpose of the organization building considered to be to order the minimize losses and to reduce the cost in production so that we will get profit easily into the production. As there are various factors of production, the important factor like land, labor, and capital are required. So an entrepreneur has to bring together various these factors of production. An entrepreneur is considered to be an organization builder. So these three are the entrepreneurial roles: innovation, risk taking, and organization building. Next is promotional roles. First one is discovery of an idea. First of all, an entrepreneur discover or generate a business idea. Whether he want to enter an existing line of business, whether he want to set up a new line of business. So first point of promotional role, that discover an idea that is discovered by an entrepreneur. Next is detailed investigation. Once the idea should be discovered, that should be analyzed by an entrepreneur. That means it should be easily work in progress or not. Assembling the requirements. Next, once the idea should be investigated, and afterward entrepreneur takes to assemble the necessary resources, whatever the resources required into the enterprise, like land, factory site, plant where he wants to locate the plant, machinery, and contact suppliers of raw material. Suppliers are those person who supply raw material to us, to the entrepreneur. Raw material that should be processed to become an finished output. Next is financing the plan.